What's up guys, and the Unpacked event is just right around the corner, and here we have the hands-on video and images of the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra. Along with that, we also have features of Galaxy Buds Pro as well as Galaxy Smart Tags. First up, here we have the S Pen of Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's quite bigger than what we used to see on Note flagships, and apparently alongside the book cover case, there is also one more case which I personally like to store the S Pen. Although it makes the phone a little wider than its original form factor, but I guess if anyone wants S Pen, then a little compromise is not a big issue. The Galaxy S21 Ultra has 4 cameras on the back, and indeed camera is the biggest improvement here. We have 2 telephoto cameras, one 10 megapixel 10x optical and 3x optical zoom sensors, and they all combine together and give you the 100x base zoom. But Samsung has also added some features here to utilize the 100x zoom feature better. Samsung has added a zoom lock feature which you can enable by touching it and can get more clear 30 and 100x zoom shots. Samsung has also improved 108 megapixel main sensor, and thanks to it, night mode has improved drastically. The image is now not only just brighter but also more detailed. Now you can record 4K videos at 60 fps from wide, ultra wide and telephoto lenses. And not only that, if you record in default Full HD resolution, then there is now a variable FPS between 60 and 30 compared to last year's fixed frame rate option. There is also a dynamic video in the single take where now it can slow down and uses AI to give you the best results as possible. Super Steady has also improved here along with director's view, which I'm sure will be very handy if you record a lot of videos. Now if you pre-order the Galaxy S21, Samsung will give you the Samsung Smart Tags absolutely free. Against your purchase of Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, you'll get Galaxy Buds Live from last year and Galaxy Smart Tags, while if you go for the Ultra, you will get Galaxy Buds Pro and Galaxy Tags absolutely free. Now Galaxy Tags are smart trackers which you can attach to your important things like your bag and your car key, and then if you lost it, you can find it via Samsung Smart Things app. We also have Galaxy S21 Plus in this violet color option, which looks incredible. And in case you don't know, there will also be a custom color option with the Galaxy S21 series. Like if you pre-order the S21, you can choose any custom color you want, and Samsung will actually ship you that colored S21. It will take just 4 to 5 weeks more to deliver. Indeed, Samsung has nailed the color options. Custom color is really good deal, and this thing won't cost any additional charges. You will get custom colors in same price as the normal S21s. The Samsung Galaxy S21 will price at $799, $999 for the Plus and $1249 for the Ultra. So it's actually cheaper than last year's S20. And in the box you will find USB-C cable and your phone, and the box will be slimmer. So yeah, that's all. Let me know what you guys think, and please subscribe to the channel if you find any useful information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.